Day 4. So here we go, day 4, Aberdeen, here we come. Full tank of fuel, woo! And that was another £15. So far I am up to 15, 30, I was at 25, 30, I'm at 40 pounds so far. And we have done 468 miles so far. Bloody hell. No wonder my arse is numb. I also checked the tyre pressures when I was there. They'd both gone down just a couple of psi. So front's at 32, rear's at 36. That's very pretty and unusual. That I installed has been quite handy, so I'm not having to hold pressure on the throttle grip at all. I've just got it engaged, but I can knock it out at any time and I can adjust it. So roads like this, absolutely brilliant. Just gives me a chance just to flex my fingers. It's great. Hey. Is that how bright I look? I wonder people can't miss me. A road bridge, and then I'm going to follow the coastal road instead of the main road. Wow. Well, that's pretty picturesque. I mean, I don't like heights. I'm not great on architecture, but it's pretty cool. Arbroath, on the wonderful coastal road that is the A92. I've literally, as you turn into Arbroath, you just then start following the coast. So the coast is actually on my right over there. The sea is over there. Hopefully this sort of wall will go in a minute and I'll be able to show you the seaside. This is Arbroath, and there's the mighty meteor. So the 3,000 mile service is due. Only problem is I'm 500 miles from home. There is another little crossing here, little bridge over the, let's call this the sea. Yeah, big boats. Traditional Scottish breakfast: square sausage, haggis, toast, egg, sausage, black pudding.
Half a tank of squish. Your advanced levers on the other side. Your throttle setting, start, stop. I also have a choke, and I prime it a couple of kicks just to get some fuel into the carb, and then I've got an ignition switch, another little tickle for fun, and then hopefully that's what's supposed to happen. I'm going to try it with no retard, which is when it's going to kick me and it gets a...
Don't worry, I'm recording.
Almost. Enjoy yourself. Sure you will.
No drones, no cameras. Can't
It doesn't say
straight.
no cameras. It just said no drones. Did it?
I'll do a drive-by. Please don't get me shot. The fact that those coppers were there, they're not typically there. The reason they're there is because she's there.
She was PCO, wasn't she? She was PCO. They were PCOs though. Is that Harry Coo? That's
It's a Harry Coo!
And the Red Sussex.
It's a big boy. He's not very airy, but he is a hiriku. And there's
Can I
another
stop?
one there.
I want to see the hairy cow.